Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. Today we have to show some kind of loving support. It's a E220, the engine code 654. It's take about 6 liters. The car is turned about 220,000 miles. It performs at the moment really well, and I'm really happy from the car. I'm doing quite regular services, and at the moment I don't have any single problem to the car. Now the first job is we have to jack up the car. We have to put a stand, and then to remove the under tray. It's a massive under tray, but it is what it is. Okay, let's do this job. Alright. After the car is jacked up, we have to start removing the under tray. How I said, it's a massive under tray. It will take me time. It's really bad. It's really tricky without a lift, only on the jack stands, but it is what it is. Working with the equipment what we have at the moment. Hopefully, in the future, we will have a better equipment. I don't know. As you can see here, there is two under trays, one at the front and one at the back, which is going to reach half of the car. It's a really tricky. We have a slightly oily, the sump it's oily, but it is what it is. Probably it's from the drain plug O-ring, which the drain plug is plastic, and every single oil service required to be changed the whole plug. Now the trays are removed from the car. Now the next job is we have to remove the engine cover and removing the oil filter, which is located somewhere there. First we'll have to drain the oil, and while the oil is drained, we will have to remove the oil filter. Okay, we're under the car. As you can see, there is the drain pan. There is the as you can see, here is the from my I think you can see from my hand. is the oil pan. The oil drain plug, it's located at the side. We need a flat screwdriver to undo the plug, and we have to start draining the oil. Let's see if we can do. Oh. Of course, we had a slight accident with the draining, but where's my piece of rock? It's here. Okay. While the oil is draining into our drain tray, we'll remove the engine cover and undo the oil filter cap to remove the oil filter. Okay, let's remove the engine cover. I'm gonna leave it here on the side, or no. Undo the air filter intake pipe. We'll have to make a space for the filter. Socket number 27. Ratchet. Okay, since the oil is still draining at the bottom, I cannot use the tray to put the filter. I found that old cardboard, just enough to put the filter on top of it to avoid make a mess everywhere. Later we're gonna dispose of that. Okay, quickly on that piece of rock, remove it, and that's it. Okay, the filter is out. As we can expect, nothing to worry. It's pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty, but it's pretty clean. And we have to move the rubber seal, because the new, it's not a genuine Mercedes filter, but Mercedes use Male for their filters. The filter comes itself, plus the O-ring, which will have to be replaced every time. Okay, it's really important. The new seal slightly will have to be oiled. Okay, we have to be sure it's freely. Let's put the new filter in. The new filter, it's with that small pin with another O-ring, which that thing is it's going to a specific hole. We have to put first the filter. We have to be sure everything is there. After that, we install the cap. Okay. The torque of the cap is 25 Newton meters. Let's see. Click. That's it. With that, the filter is already installed. Let's remove that from here. Let's check it still, or just still drain it. No, the oil's finished. No. Let's open the new drain plug. As I said, it's a plastic drain plug. Okay, the plug is installed, and the under trays all ready to be fitted again. Hopefully this rubber seal on the drain plug will keep the oil on the place. We will see the next oil change. Okay, let's start fitting the under trays back, and because we're expecting rain, I don't want to be wet here. Alright, now everything is assembled. Now we have to remove the jack stands and to put the engine oil. But first let me lower the car down, and then we will put the oil. Okay, now we're using genuine Mercedes-Benz oil with code MB229.52. The car takes itself 6 liters, and we have one 5-liter bottle plus one small 1 liter. Okay, first one gone. Let's pour the little one. All right. Now with this one, we finish with the oil. Let's close the cap. the engine cover. Job done. Now we'll have to reset the oil service. I will show you in a minute. Okay, now it's time to reset the oil service. To do that, first we press the ignition. That two lights will have to be lighting on. Basically, yep, this one. After that, the back button for 3 seconds plus the middle button, and that's the result. The hidden menu, it's come up. Then after that we go into assist plus, ignition on, full service, confirm service. That's the grade of the oil. We use it that one. Service carried out. Yes. Confirm. Full service completed. Job done. Ignition off. And voila, trip reset. Alright, we finished for today. The car is already serviced, ready for our new adventures. Then another 8,000 miles for example. We have another build which is coming soon to the channel, which I'm so excited. At the moment it's behind the camera, but I'm still not reviewing that one. Hopefully you will enjoy it as well along with me, and please share, like and subscribe. See you next time.